Classic cars for as little as $1,600. From Mustangs and Impalas to vintage trucks and Mopars. Which one would you take home?
Welcome back. Today, we're checking out 15 affordable classic cars for sale, with prices ranging from just $1,600 to $9,500. We've got classic Ford Galaxies, Mustangs, Chevrolet Impalas, vintage trucks, Mopars, and some unique projects that could become incredible rides with the right amount of work. Some are ready to drive, while others need serious restoration. So let's take a look and see which classic offers the best deal. Car number 1, 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, $4,800. Starting the list is this 1964 Ford Galaxy 500, a classic full-size Ford with plenty of potential. It has a 352 cubic inch V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a survivor car and says the engine will start with a jump. The transmission shifts well and the car stops properly. It does need some attention to the power steering, but it has a clean title and could be a solid starting point for someone wanting to build or restore a classic Galaxy. Price, $4,800.
Car number 2, 1953 Ford Custom Line, $9,500. Next is a beautiful old-school Ford, listed as a 1953 Crown Victoria, but described by the seller as a 1953 Ford Custom Line. Under the hood is a 239 cubic inch flathead V8, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. According to the seller, this was the final year for the flathead V8. This original Texas car comes with a clean Oklahoma title and is said to run, drive, and stop properly. Other than an electric fuel pump, it is described as largely original. For someone looking for a classic that can be enjoyed without immediately starting a major restoration, this one sounds like a very nice driver. Price, $9,500, or best offer.
Car number 3, 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 Sedan, $9,500. Here we have another Galaxy, this time a 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 4-door sedan. It comes with a 352 V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission. The seller has already installed new front disc brakes, and a set of rear disc brakes is included with the car. Other upgrades include a Bluetooth classic-style radio and rear 6x9 speakers. The electrical system is said to be working, all the chrome is present, the windows are in excellent condition, and the body is described as straight, with only minor imperfections and some light rust. The car does run, but it needs a head gasket, making this a project that could potentially be enjoyed again after some mechanical work. Price, $9,500.
Car number 4, 1952 Chevrolet Bel Air Deluxe, $2,000. Now here's one of the cheapest cars on the list, a 1952 Chevrolet Bel Air Deluxe, for just $2,000. The seller says the car is in pretty good shape and that the engine was running earlier this year. However, the interior has been removed, although the original interior parts are included and are in rough condition. Before this Bel Air goes back on the road, the brakes will need to be gone through at a minimum. But with a clean title and a low asking price, this could be a great opportunity for someone looking for an affordable early 50s Chevrolet restoration project. Price, $2,000, or best offer.
Car number 5, 1956 Chevrolet Classic Sedan, $4,500. Finishing part 1 is this 1956 Chevrolet Classic Sedan. There aren't many details in the listing, but sometimes simple is good. According to the seller, the car runs and drives well and is being sold for a friend. The mileage is listed at 12,345, although that should probably be treated as unknown until verified. At $4,500, this could be worth checking out for someone who wants a running and driving mid-1950s Chevrolet without jumping into a high-priced restoration. Price, $4,500.
Car number 6, 1965 Plymouth Barracuda, $3,000. Kicking off part 2 is this 1965 Plymouth Barracuda, offered as an affordable classic Mopar project. The seller says the car does run and has only light rust in a few areas. All of the chrome pieces are reportedly included inside the car, which is a nice bonus for a restoration project. The seller is unsure whether the engine is original, and the description also mentions $4,500 OBO, despite the listing showing a price of $3,000, so the actual asking price should definitely be confirmed with the seller. Either way, this early Barracuda could be an interesting project for someone looking for something different from the usual Mustang or Camaro. Listed price, $3,000.
Car number 7, 1966 Ford Mustang, $4,800. Here's an unusual deal. 2 classic Ford Mustangs for one price. The package includes a black Mustang with a 302 V8, high-performance intake, and carburetor. There's also a matching numbers 289 engine associated with the other Mustang, plus another Mustang body that could potentially provide parts for the restoration. According to the seller, one car needs rust repair and work to the frame rails, while both cars will need to be transported by trailer. The interiors are described as being in good condition, and the seller believes the combined value of the cars and extra engine is much higher than the asking price. For someone with space, tools, and the patience to take on a serious Mustang project, this could be a very interesting package deal. Price, $4,800 for both cars.
Car number 8. $1966 Ford Galaxy 500, $7,000. Next is a 1966 Ford Galaxy 500, described as an all-original classic. It is powered by a 390 V8, which the seller says runs smoothly. It also has a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, adding a little extra performance flavor to this big Ford. There aren't many details about the overall condition, but a running 390-powered Galaxy at this price could be worth checking out. The seller is also open to trading for a full-size van. Price, $7,000.
Car number 9, 1969 Ford Mustang Coupe, $7,500. This 1969 Ford Mustang Coupe is a running project that just needs some attention and care. It's powered by an inline-6 engine, and according to the seller, the car runs and is generally in good shape. The biggest issue is the paperwork. It needs a bonded title, so buyers should carefully check the requirements in their state before making a deal. For someone willing to deal with the title process and improve the car over time, this could be an affordable entry into the world of late 1960s Mustangs. Price, $7,500. Car number 10, 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS, $6,500. Finishing part 2 is a 1964 Chevrolet Impala SS, 2-door. This is definitely a project car. It comes with an engine and transmission, but it's missing the steering column and center console. The seller also makes it clear that the car has significant rust. Another major consideration is that the car comes with no title, so potential buyers should carefully investigate the paperwork situation before purchasing. Still, a genuine-looking 1964 Impala SS project can be tempting for the right builder. If you're prepared for bodywork, parts hunting, and a complete restoration, this one could become a serious long-term project. Price, $6,500.
Car number 11, 1968 Ford Falcon Futura Sports Coupe, $7,000. Starting part 3 is this 1968 Ford Falcon Futura Sports Coupe, a 2-door classic with a sporty look and plenty of potential. It still has its original inline-6 engine, and according to the seller, it runs. The body is described as straight, which is always a good starting point for an older restoration. It does need a new paint job, and there is some rust in the cum area, but it comes with a clean title. For someone looking for a simple, classic Ford that can be driven and improved over time, this Falcon could be a solid candidate. Price, $7,000.
Car number 12, 1965 Chevrolet C10, $7,000. Next is a 1965 Chevrolet C10 pickup offered as a running and driving classic truck. The truck comes with a clean title and has been painted in primer gray, leaving the next owner free to choose their preferred final color. It needs the windows installed, but the seller says the windows are included with the truck.
The air conditioning system also needs to be charged. On the plus side, it comes with new tires. The seller is firm on the $7,000 asking price, but may consider trades for other classic vehicles or industrial equipment. Price, $7,000.
Car number 13, 1964 Chevrolet Impala, $1,600. Here is one of the cheapest cars on the entire list, a 1964 Chevrolet Impala Project for just $1,600. The car as described is pretty solid and fairly complete. It has a 327 V8 in Powerglide automatic transmission, and the seller has managed to get the engine to turn slightly. Some extra parts are included, such as pulleys, a distributor, and a carburetor. It also has nearly new wheels and tires. There is some rust, but the seller doesn't believe it's severe enough to make the car beyond saving. The biggest downside is that it comes with no title, only a bill of sale. Still, for $1,600, this could be a tempting project for an experienced builder willing to take on the paperwork and mechanical work. Price, $1,600 or best offer.
Car number 14, 1962 Ford Fairlane, $7,000. This 1962 Ford Fairlane is a bit of a mystery because the seller provides almost no additional description. What we do know is that it's a red car with a red interior, equipped with a manual transmission, and the listing shows around 30,000 miles. It is also described as a one-owner vehicle. With such limited information, this is definitely a car where potential buyers would need to ask plenty of questions and inspect it carefully before making an offer. But at $7,000, a one-owner early 60s Fairlane could be worth investigating. Price, $7,000.
Car number 15. $1965 Plymouth Fury 3, $2,000. And finishing the list is this 1965 Plymouth Fury 3, offered for just $2,000 cash. It is powered by a 318 cubic inch V8 paired with a 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission. The seller says the car will run, move, and stop, but makes it clear that it is not currently roadworthy. The car has been sitting for several years and will need mechanical work, a tune-up, and some restoration. The engine also smokes. There are dings, scratches, and rust around the lower rear section, although the floors and frame appear to be fairly sturdy. The car will need to be trailered or towed home, but it does come with a title and an antique bill of sale. For someone looking for a budget-friendly full-size Mopar project, this Fury 3 could offer a lot of classic car for the money. Price, $2,000 cash.
And that's our list of 15 classic cars for sale. Which one was your favorite? The 1600 Impala, the 2 Mustang package, or maybe the $2,000 Plymouth Fury 3? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy checking out affordable classic cars and hidden project deals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more classic car finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.